Here is my mom's recipe for the best baked chicken you will ever make at home. This was my family's favorite that my brother and I used to enjoy as a kid. There was this incident that I clearly remember where my mother invited some of our friends' kids to stay over, and she hadn't prepared this chicken dish. So my brother and I, we put on this great act of good behavior with the hopes that we could have the leftovers after they left, only to realize that the guests had polished it off before they left. So this is a really delicious dish that is very easy to put together. So do give this recipe a try and you will not be disappointed. As you know, chicken is a powerhouse of protein, and this is a baked dish, so it does meet the healthy meal criteria. You could also add vegetables on the side before roasting. The juices from the chicken will be infused into these vegetables, making it very delicious. So this makes it a complete meal as well. Please do check the recipe below for more details.